Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2016 Jeep Renegade Latitude 75th Anniversary Edition SUV. This subcompact crossover SUV is chock full of character. It's easy to drive and nimble around town. If you are in the market for an all-around solid but fun vehicle, then this 5-passenger Latitude should be a top contender on your test drive list. The cabin of this front-wheel drive, with the remainder of its factory warranty, is attractive, well-equipped and enjoys plenty of headroom. With soft-touch materials, Jeep-themed logos and designs, it also boasts the Jeep 75th Anniversary Package. Additionally, this model features Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, Beats premium audio system, My Sky fixed removable roof panels, 75th anniversary tangerine interior accents, and the Uconnect control interface with a 5-inch touchscreen. The exterior has 18-inch bronze-painted aluminum wheels, bronze grille surrounds, bronze roof rails, and Jeep bronze badging. Properly equipped, this 2.4-litre 9-speed automatic can tow up to 2,000 pounds. To see the full specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We encourage you to rush on over and discover the Jeep Renegade experience for yourself. You will find the stronger low RPM torque delivers a more powerful and responsive ride. The transmission is smooth and it gives an overall sportier ride quality. Its small footprint provides an almost car-like ride, but its added height provides great visibility and inspires confidence. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 833 450 4181.